Hey guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about what is Git patch and how to apply it and how to create it. Okay, first of all, let's understand what is a patch file. A patch is a small file that indicates changes made in repository, and we can create a patch file from unstaged changes, staged changes, and from commits too. Okay, now let's learn how to create patches and apply them, and let's understand why we need to create a patch and why when it will be useful. Let's assume I made some code changes in my local. Okay, okay, let me explain in real-time scenario. In our project, our code base will run after making certain code changes only, but we cannot commit them to repository because the production config or deployed environment config is different and the local configuration is different. So we need to make code changes to our local code base every time we run it, but it will take so much time, right? Because there are many files involved in it. It's not about only one person. Let's assume there are many people working in the same project, and if a new person comes to the project, we need to share some kind of, if we want to share some kind of document, they need to check every file and they need to make code changes. If you create a patch from the code changes by running a simple command, they can apply it. Okay, you can simply say these patches via email, or you can store them in some box folders or shared drives. Now let's try to open our repositories or code base which is cloned in local. If you observe, I have two folders, test and patch test. If you open them in command prompt and check the branch, I was on the branch master, and if it's come to this test inside the patch test folder, the branch here is develop. The reason I was on different branches is I want to create some patch files and apply them. Okay, so that is the reason I was on the different branches. Let me come here, and now initially let's try to make some code changes in this file. Now what I'm going to do means I want to show you the scenario of creating a patch for unstaged changes. Okay, let me say welcome to my channel. Okay, and let me just say Control S. Now okay, this the one where I made the changes. If you observe here, I have this file which is not staged. Now I want to create I want to execute a command to create a patch. Git space diff, and here I want to say my changes dot patch. Now if you observe, for me a patch file got created. Let's open it in a notepad file to check how it looks. See guys, it looks like this. So here we can clearly understand, right? Here is showing that we have added some changes. Okay, now let's understand how to apply it. Now we are in the patch test folder, which we have our develop branch. Okay, let me confirm the branch name first. Yep, now I want to apply the patch, right? So I want to say git apply, and now I want to give the path of the file. Okay, what is the path of the file? It's d and test and the file name. Okay, let me copy the path of the file name. So actually it's not like I want to have the file in the particular place only. You can place the file anywhere, and here we need to give the path of the file. That's it guys. Okay, if you observe, the patch got applied. Sorry, it's just the file which you have here. Yeah, now we are done with understanding the patch creation for unstaged changes and how to apply it on some other repository. Right, now let's try to understand applying and creation of patch for staged changes. Okay, now if you observe the current status here, we have this file unstaged. Now let me add it. Okay, now what I want to do here, I want to create a patch, right? I want to say git if cache. I can give any file name here. Yep, and a file got created, right? Let me copy it and let me go back. Now let me reset the code changes. Okay, now I want to apply the patch here, right? Yep, and let me replace the file name. So if I check the file, I will have the changes, right? Now I hope you got it, right? How to create a patch for unstaged changes and staged changes, and how to apply them. Now let's try to understand how to create patch for commits. Okay, now let me delete the file up to now. If you check the status here, okay, we have some state changes. Let me commit it. Let me say yeah, now I have committed these changes, right? How to create the patch now. Let me execute the command git format patch -1. For example, if you want to create patch for last 3 commits or last 4 commits, you want to replace one by the number of commits you want to create a patch. Okay, in my case I'm just creating a patch for 1 commit. Okay, there is some issue here. Yeah, sorry, I missed an icon here. Yep, now I got a patch created, right? Now let me go to our patch test folder. Yep, now we don't have any changes, right? If you able to recall applying patch for staged changes and unstaged changes, the command is git space apply space the file name, but here for the commit it is git space am space and the file name. Okay, sorry, I have given the wrong folder path. Let me give the correct folder path. Yep, and let me check how the changes here. Now I hope you guys got it. What is git patch and how to apply it for staged changes, unstaged changes, and for commits. And if you guys like our video, please like and share to your friends. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.